Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Patterns and Algebra Exercises Part 2. This video is a continuation of the videos I've been having on revision, and it'll just help you go over the topics that we've studied. Here's the first slide of exercises. You can pause it for as long as you want till you answer the questions. You can do it on a piece of paper or any way you like. I'll just leave it on for a short while. And remember, I have the answers at the end for all slides. And here's the next slide. I'll just leave it on for a short while. And this is the last slide, and the answers will come up next. And this is the first slide with the answers. That'll help you check how you went. And this is the next slide with the answers. And this is the last slide with all the answers. Now remember, you can pause any slide for as long as you want to check out the sums or the answers.